Hey everyone, so iPadOS 16.4 came out recently, and in this video I'll be explaining to you whether or not you should get it on the iPad 9. So first off, let's go over some of the new features. And one of those new features is that there's 21 new emojis. So there's a face, heart, and animal emojis, and if someone messages you one of those emojis, then the message will appear like this if you don't have the latest update. So that is one reason to consider upgrading your iPad. And this new update actually brings many new features to settings. Basically, if you go over to accessibility and you find where it says motion, then there's going to be a new feature for dim flashing lights, and basically whenever there's flashing lights on your screen, it'll lower the brightness, that way it's easier for you to see. Now for some of the other settings, if you go into general and about, then into coverage, it'll show the coverage of your iPad and the other devices that were connected to it. And on top of this, if you go back over here and into software update, then for those of you that are in Apple's beta program, it'll allow you to choose whether or not you want to receive beta iPadOS updates. Now for some of the other features in iPadOS 16.4, if you go over to the Shortcuts tab, there's actually going to be more shortcuts available, and on top of that, websites can now give you notifications. So should you get iPadOS 16.4? Well, my answer is it depends. If you want to get the beta version because it hasn't come out yet, then if battery life or performance is an issue, I recommend that you wait a couple months for it to come out because there still might be some bugs. But if iPadOS 16.4 is already out at the time you're watching this, I recommend that you get the update because there's really no downsides. Now that is it for my review of iPadOS 16.4. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.